friends. My name is Mritul Jain and today we are going to study all about acids and bases. So let's start. What are acids? The substances which are sour in taste and when dissolved in water releases H plus ions. So when an acid is dissolved in water, it releases hydrogen ions, or more correctly, hydronium ions. Also, acids are sour in taste. For example, you can see some picture of lemon and orange. They both are sour in taste. That means they are acidic in nature. In the second picture, you can see some bottles labeled as different acids. These are also some acids. Now we will see what are bases. The substances which are bitter in taste and releases OH minus ions when dissolved in water. So bases are the substances which are bitter in taste, but don't taste them to see whether they are bitter or sour, and releases OH minus ions when dissolved in water. So these bases releases OH minus means hydroxide negative ions which when dissolved in water. Some of the examples are window cleaner, dishwasher, bleach, baking powder, soap. Do you know soap is also a base? Now a question arises, how to know whether the substance is acidic or basic, as we cannot taste each and everything to find whether it is acidic or basic. So let's see. Indicators. Indicators are used to find that whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. It acts as a detective agent. Some of the examples of indicators are litmus, turmeric, China rose, and red cabbage juice. So let's see about them in a brief. Litmus paper. Litmus paper is obtained from certain lichens, small plants, and used as a dilute solution. So let me tell you, litmus are finger-like small paper strips made from lichens, small plants, and it is also used as a dilute solution. A drop of it is added to the solution whose acid-base behavior is to be found out. So a drop of it is added to the solution to find whether a substance is acidic or basic. Here on the left hand side there is one animated graphic picture. So let's see. Here there are two containers. The first container is labeled as base and the second container is labeled as acid, which means the first container contains base and the second container contains acid. So the first red color strip goes into the base and turns to be blue, and a blue color strip goes into an acid and turns itself to a red. So this means some magic is happening. No, there is no magic. This is what litmus paper works. So let us talk about them in a brief. Here I have made a table which shows when litmus paper is added to a base or acid gives which color. So red litmus paper tested with base gives blue color. But when red litmus paper tested with an acid, there is no changes occurred. When blue litmus paper is tested with a base, there are no changes to be seen. But when a blue litmus paper tested with an acid, the color changes from blue to red. Now, I think you are clear with the topic litmus paper. Now we are going to see what is turmeric juice. Turmeric juice is a natural indicator. Its color is yellowish. Here I have again made a table which shows that turmeric juice when added to an acidic medium gives which color. So when indicator, which is what turmeric juice added to an acidic medium, remains yellow only. But when turmeric juice added to an basic medium turns to reddish brown or red in color. When turmeric juice is added to a neutral medium, it remains yellow only. So let's move to the next indicator, which is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a dilute solution which is a colorless solution and is used as an indicator. It turns red or pinkish purple in basic medium and colorless in acidic on the neutral substance. So when phenolphthalein is added to a basic medium, it turns itself from pinkish purple to red. And when it is added to an acid, it is left colorless only. Same goes with the neutral substances. Now let's see the another indicator, which is China rose juice. This shows green in a basic medium and dark pink in a magenta color in acidic medium. So when China rose juice is added to a basic medium, it changes its color to green. But when added to an basic acidic medium, it changes its color to magenta, pink or pinkish in color. Now I think you're clear with China rose juice. Let us see one more indicator, which is red cabbage juice. Red cabbage juice, purple in color, turns in a green basic medium and red in acidic solution. So red cabbage juice is what? Purple in color and turns green in a basic medium, which means lightish kind of green when added to a base, but red in an acidic medium. Now recap what we studied in the chapter in this video. The first thing was what are acids. Then we studied what are bases. We studied about indicators. Then we had a brief knowledge all about types of indicators, which are litmus paper, turmeric juice, phenolphthalein, China rose juice, red cabbage juice. Thank you for watching. Please like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment below how do you like the video. Stay tuned with us for the next videos. Thank you.